In operator login, if you come to manage stock, there is several options available. Okay, so let's first select some items. So pipe, let's take this and this. Fine. Make it 5, make it 2. Okay, so you can generate seller invoice. So we have already discussed this. This is clear selection. If you click this, everything will be cleared. Okay, this is remove the item from the stock. For some reason, if your stock will be missed from your, if the item is missed from your stock, or for some reason you want to clear this stock items. Okay, in that case you can clear these items using this button. So 5 items from this and 2 items from this will be cleared. Okay, return the item. Suppose for some reason you want to return these items to the seller. Okay, in that case you can return the item from here using this. And if your item is being damaged, so you can mark as damage from here. So let's make 2 and 2 mark as damage. So you have to enter the reason or remark. This is optional, but let's make it um, damaged item. Okay, fine, and save this. Now if you come to stock details and want to see the damaged item, you can see there is 2 items and 2 items which are marked as damaged. Okay, so what is this item? This item, if you search this in here, you can see there was initially 20 value, but now there is 18 available, as 2 is marked as damaged. Okay, in the same way, let's make some item. Let's make this item 3 and 3. Let's suppose you want to return this item because of some reason. So you just go to here and type the reason, return, and save it. Okay, come here and there is 3 and 3 which are returned. And if you search this here within the unsold, there is 17 available right now. Same way, let's mark this 2, or suppose 1. Here this, and you want to clear 1 from your stock. So just simply clear this, clear the items, and save this. You come here and go to cleared. You can see there is 1 item which is cleared. And if you search this in unsold, there is 9 available. Okay, so in this way the whole manage thing is work. Let's see this also. There is selected. If you clear this, everything will be cleared. That's it. Okay, using channel number you can also search items. Okay, using batch number you can also search item B02 or 03, right? And using batch ID you can also search item. Suppose batch ID is this. So there is one important thing, the batch ID. If you observe this, you can see this is 300625, which is today's date. Okay, so today is 13th of June 2025, and the time is 8:45 p.m. So seeing this batch ID, you can identify that when this stock is actually entered. If you come here, you can see that this batch ID, first of 1st of July 2025, 8:47 a.m. And this is for make this unique, because at the same time two stock may be entered in the same company from a different operator login. So this is for make it unique, and this is for understanding that when the stock is actually entered. So this is the concept of batch ID. Fine.